Okay, so I recently sought to use the Brave browser versus. So that's the that's the Chrome. Well, let me actually start this off from the beginning. So Chrome, I would to get to the channel. Well, you can have all these channels. So the tech channel is here, and that one launched. Oh, it's already. I have already populated. Let me close it all out. All right, let's try that again. So we have the text channel. It'll go into another screen because I have two monitors. All right, let's load the Brave. Now I can go side by side. You, you, you do on this. You know about that, right? You can have two. Instead of having two monitors, you can have it like this. Anyway, this is the Brave browser, and this is it. Now, for extensions, because Chrome doesn't come with anything really for extensions. Now, oh, see, this one here keeps, even though I don't have it installed, it keeps installing itself. Gotta remove it. I don't understand. I'm not gonna report no abuse because nobody does anything. I'm not gonna tell you what these what these do, but it's pretty interesting. Um, okay. Well, let's turn off the guards. You don't need this on either. I'm using this to block out most of the stuff. Uh, I'll turn that off as well. Doesn't need to be on. These three programs here are pretty neat, but I know they'll be eventually removed. Um, I'm not gonna get to that, but I'm just saying we're gonna block some stuff. Actually, let me turn some stuff off. I'll just turn these off. Okay, so we don't have no ad blocker on right now, so this has no ad blocker. Okay, so we're gonna go to the channel, hit refresh or reload. Turn off most of the extensions. A lot of extensions can slow down the machine. Um, so this is what the channel will look like. And let me get into their settings because by default it uses their let's see if I change it. They have their own search engine. Yeah, I don't want their search engines. Well, that's how you get in here to change things. They have shields. Trackers and ad blocking standard. You can go aggressive. I don't know. I never really had upgrade connections to standard. Block script. You can block script. So you have more blocking capabilities compared to the Chrome. Doesn't have that. I mean, you have to download extensions. There are some features in Chrome. Let's see. For privacy. I'm going to pull up my account, but you can get the drift of what options you have. So that's why you have extensions. You pick what you want, but it's built in here. The premise of having it built in, it, less likely going to use a lot of resources and, and memory. So I'm running um, the capture in the background, so that's why it's going to run like it is. Nothing else is running. I did turn everything else, so I do have something. I have stickies on. But as you can see, both pages are the same. Oh, I'm not signed in, so this is what it will look like. So you'd have to click subscribe. I don't see that on my side. That's what it looks like. It's running the Google system, but it's enhanced. It's almost like Pale Moon. I was using Pale Moon for a long time. I don't know. I think they still make it. I mean, that was based on Mozilla. It was all right. I mean, but I don't use too much Mozilla. Even though here I got I got Edge, Chrome, Opera, and there's other one here too. And I got Mozilla. I use these for a reason. So, and you'll learn in time. If you're a real tech, you would know. But this is how it looks. So this has built-in ad blocker already blocked in. Okay, this one on the right, it don't. You have to, like I said, you have to use software to extensions to block ads and stuff like that. Now, if you go to the underground and you do certain things, you want the maximum protection. I don't use these. I don't use these. I don't use these accounts. I have another account for that. If I want to go under the underground, so the underground, is a lot of malware and a lot of weird stuff. So if you want to go that direction, you have to have full power. You would have to have more than one ad blocker. You would have to have, and the pop-up blocker. Yeah, you pretty much see what I had in here, because that's the only way you can protect yourself. Now, Chrome does protect you against malware, and it does tell you which extension is corrupted, and it'll do that. I'm sure this one does it too. I don't know. I really play around with this. I'm just using this now so I can edit my channels on my other platforms. Otherwise, I can't edit them, and it's a pain in the neck. So that's why I'm using Brave. And a lot of people are using Brave as well. It does crash. It does want to report home, so you should block all of that. That's all. They should be paying you for reporting bugs and stuff, because technically speaking, you are beta testing. So, but they're gonna say, well, you're getting the software for free. Yeah, but yeah, I don't know about that. So that's it. So we have a new update here. This was just posted here. I just want to show you the difference between Brave and Brave look like it has VPN, but VPN can slow down because my router can handle dual WAN, so I can basically have my my cable provider, my ISP, and then I can have my cell phone. If I have it from a cell phone company, I can have their little 5G box hooked up. So if the main cable company go down, So I was thinking about doing that. I was thinking about switching. We're going to talk about why I'm going to switch my mobile provider. I'll tell you what's going on with that. So we do a separate story for that. Okay, so you know what's going on. But yeah, so keep the cable company. I don't have to pay for additional uploading speed. You see, where I can use the other one from the other mobile company. I'll have unlimited upload, right? But it's going to be the same. So I won't have to pay that extra 30. But you see, now with them, if you have their mobile, you have to pay extra 25. So it gets kind of expensive. So something to play around with. I wanted to try it out though. I want to play it around. I want to see how that system works here, because my router can handle both. Both dual WAN. You need two different boxes, but be Wi-Fi. I just want to see how it works. But anyway, this is how this works here. Okay. Here, download it, install it, and see if you like it. What's the stuff you want to disable? Because as you can see, how it works in between. Oh, I still have that turned on. Let me turn off extensions, because I want it to be Well, see, that's it. We don't need AdGuard. We don't need this. We don't. We don't need all these things. We don't need it. I'll keep that because I don't know how this right. We don't need this. We don't need this. Oh, see, it's still installed. Yet we don't have it in the computer. So that means it's some trace of it. We don't need this either. This is good if you have Facebook. That's good. Yeah, it does do YouTube too. But you know what? To me, if it has ad block already in built in, you don't need to have all these programs running. It's just taking up RAM. I don't even know. I should even have this turned on. But you know, okay, turn that off as well. See, by turning all these things off, it'll run faster. If you remove them, okay, maybe that's why it didn't load as fast. Okay, let's reload. It should load faster. Okay, that's a little better. Let me turn it off in here. I had now the only thing I don't see in this, I like to talk to my search engine because manage. See what I have on here. Okay, turn this one off as well. Wait, oh well. No, wait a minute. I don't have nothing protecting this one. It's all right. All right. Well, leave these on. Actually, I should just leave these on. Here, I'm still experimenting with these. Most of these I had to research to find out what these were. I had no idea that such things exist. Okay, you know, let's reload. I should be, let's see if they give me that option. You see this up here? You want to kick on that. That gives you the ability to SGE. I want to turn that on. Yes, 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 yes. Turned on. So Search Labs is their beta lab, so you want to turn that on. So what will that do for you? I don't know. You have to subscribe to that too. It might show up. So you say I want to search my channel. I should be able to say it. Albert's Voice Tech. Not text. Albert's Voice Tech. Albert's Voice. All right, well, we're just doing. It's trying to act. No, I'm not looking at the keys. Now, you can have this should come up automatically. This is the AI. They want to replace this with the SOE they're using now. Okay, so my channel will come up. So it tells you what your channel is doing. So it tells you what your channel is about. So if you need to go into about, you can copy and stick it in about, and then you have your description of your channel. And you can do that if you want. But that's what that does. That's pretty good. You can play around with that. Same thing with Bard. I'm not going to talk about Bart right now, but that's that feature there. So that's the advantages. So you get to see how these work here. So try the Brave. I'll stick with the Google. I still have the Chrome because there's things I have to do in Chrome. Now the Brave, well, you still have to put your YouTube channel access into Brave because it's supposed to grab everything when you import back to Brave from you're exporting Chrome settings into Brave. It's supposed to bring it all over, but sometimes it doesn't seem to want to bring it all over. Oh, I see. There's voice search pop up here. Okay. I didn't see that before on the other one. I don't know why it's popping there. That's why I didn't see. on my other on the laptop, the Walmart one. We'll talk about that in another video. I have to, because a lot of you keep on asking me, can you upgrade it? Well, yeah, you could, but you'll have to know how to use a soldering gun, because you're gonna have to desolder and solder. That's how that would work. But anyway, back to this. So this is how this is. So you have Brave, okay, and Brave has Brave Firewall plus VPN. I don't know if it's on. I don't think so. I see you have to buy it. You don't need it. If you have if you have a VPN router and you get one of those VP connections or alternative DNS domain name system yeah, you can change, because by default a lot of the routers use Google or your ISP. Okay, so if you want to go faster, there's a list of that stuff, but I haven't really talked about that too much on here. So yeah, still talking about browsers and what you can speed up. So basically, this is it. Okay, do you understand? Okay, great. All right. Okay. Well, thanks. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay. All right. So give it a try. See if you like it. If you don't want to use it, don't use it. It's up to you. Oh, don't forget to upgrade your WISE 365 to 6.6.2. I don't know if they still fix that bug I told them about, but they get hard-headed sometimes, I guess. But anyway, this is a so watch this video and this video. Okay, again, don't forget to subscribe so more videos will come out. Okay.